Welcome over here. We all know that content is king. The more content, relevant content that you're putting on your website, the better it is for conversion and of course for search engine ranking. But you might be running out of ideas on what to write for your website pertaining to your industry. And you can use Quora. You can one of my favorite tool, let me show you, is SEM Rush. You can do a keyword research in there, and it will also in a question format, and you just need to answer it. So let me show you. So if you subscribe to SEM Rush, all you have to do is go to Keyword Magic tool. Over here, let's say, for example, we're in the funeral industry. If you just type in funerals at the top, hit question, and it will show you what are some of the top most asked questions, also by category as well. So for example, much, I'm guessing is how much. Right, these are all keywords pertaining to how much, right? How much is a funeral? How much do funeral directors make? How much does the average funeral cost, right? How much do funeral flowers cost? So these are all potential good blog topic for you. Or, for example, let's say long. How long after death is funeral? How long do funeral last, right? All these are good idea. Where? What to wear to a funeral, right? Okay, so there's one example here. Can you wear white to a funeral? Can you wear jeans to a funeral? Right? So these are all pretty interesting. So any industry you're in, let's say if you're in the window and door, replace a window industry, right? You come in here, for example, how to measure, right? How to replace, how much to replace windows, right? How much does it cost to replace windows? How to install replace the windows, right? Window screens. So this is one of my favorite tool, and easily this is what you can do. Let me go back to, or we can type in cremation, for example. Okay. Then from here, what you can do is just export this as a big file. And what you can do now is siphon through the topics, right? And sort it by volume. And you can start to figure out, okay, how does cremation work? How long does it take to cremate a body? These are all, right, very good questions you can answer on your website. So this is one of the most nifty tools out there to continue to look for ideas.